morning everyone. Today is our first full day in Hoi An and we're about to go start exploring the old town. So look at the weather we have today. It looks absolutely beautiful out here. Perfect sunny day. No wind, it's no cloud. Well, there's a little bit of cloud, but it should clear up by the end of the day. You excited?
I'm so excited. I'm really excited for these clothes to dry as well, but
oh yeah, we forgot to say
still going.
Our clothes never dried from when we washed them, so
it's like too humid in Hoi, and it's just like never dried. So
but it's a lot warmer here, sunnier, so they should dry by the end of today. But yeah, let's go start exploring Hoi An and see what this old town has to offer.
Morning guys, so we're just having a Vietnamese coffee at the moment at Mun Coffee. I think it's called a Mun Coffee. I'll show you guys the sign, it's just up there. And it's this really cute little place in Hoi An. The coffee looks really interesting inside. They've got like all these different types of blends, like Oreo with cinnamon and yeah, stuff like that. It's really cool, and Dan and I are in need of coffee right now, but it's quite warm today, so we're sort of after something that's going to be a little bit colder. And we've become pretty addicted to Vietnamese coffee lately with the condensed milk. It's really good. Stirs up terribly. In Hoi An, and it's so beautiful. We're just like admiring the architecture and the detail in all decorations and decor, and like it's just crazy. Like stuff like that's just not really done anymore. And if you look in the gold section up there, it's just crazy how detailed it is.
Like everything from like the pond to like these jade statues to the poles to the roofing, especially like that section there gets me.
This is why I love Asia, because I feel like it's just so different to so many parts of the Western world.
Got ourselves some banh mi. Pork, grilled pork on mine, and grilled chicken and cheese on yours.
Delicious.
What's the taste test like?
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. A lot of chili on there, so I'm a bit scared, but I'm sure it'll be great. Coconut ice cream coffee. So it's coffee, Vietnamese coffee with condensed milk and ice cream in it, like coconut flavored ice cream. Oh my god. It's like one of the best drinks I think I've ever had. It's so smooth and it's just amazing flavor.
So we're gonna go and get a massage here while we're in Hoi An. It's really cheap compared to back home in Australia.
Yeah.
Kaylee's feeling a little stressed and a bit tense.
Back's a bit, ooh, actually I'm quite sunburnt. You can really see it on camera. But yeah, my back gets quite sore easily, and especially with my camera gear and that around my neck all day. And it'd be nice to get a massage, because I don't think I've had one in about 8 years or so. I think that's the last time I had a massage.
This is probably going to be I think it's my first ever massage, so it's kind of a new experience for me, so I don't really know what to expect. So hopefully this is invigorating and an educational experience for me.
Educational.
I don't know. I don't know what to expect, so hopefully it's good.
How was the massage, Dan?
Well, that was a first for me. It's a very, very interesting experience. It made me squirm a little bit. So I got a neck, back, shoulders in one, and then I got my legs and feet done as well, and I was pretty tense in my right shoulder, and my feet are very ticklish, so
I was about to say,
every time she rubbed them I was like, meh.
You guys probably don't know, but Dan is very, very ticklish, so pretty much I could just imagine him, like when I was laying in the other bed, pretty much just him squirming and kicking the lady's face or something. So now we're going to Mexican, hopefully. Excited?
I'm very excited.
Hungry. So guys, this is egg coffee. We've heard about it previously on our trip, and we're just about to try it. So basically it's like egg, I think on top of coffee, Vietnamese coffee with condensed milk, and I think it's more like a custard. Yeah, that's what we've heard. Yeah, so pretty excited to try this. So, verdict on this one.
I don't know how to drink it. I'm trying to find out instructions on the internet how to drink it, because they've got a cup of water next to us.
We were given some hot water, which usually would mean that we'd pour it in, but it was already full to the brim, so it was kind of like we didn't know whether to pour it in or not. But as you can see, I've already drunk mine without the water, and it was not great. I did, for the last part, put some water in, and it did change the texture of it a bit, but for me, I'm not sure if I'm a fan of egg coffee. What about you?
I don't know.
Still undecided.
Yeah, still undecided.
Too early to tell.
Definitely too early. Just flew into Ho Chi Minh, and we're just waiting for our transfer now. He's gone to get the car, and we're sitting here watching the chaotic traffic. There is a bit of a gap at the moment, which is kind of strange, but there are thousands of people, and this is chaotic.
And what's the temperature outside?
Very humid, very cloudy, but very humid. I have no idea what the temperature is, but it's a lot hotter than what it was in Hoi An. It's just bumper to bumper. So another king bed here. It's a little desk. Oh look, we got a window. Let's have a look at the view. Oh, wrong way. I'm so excited for the view. Ah, well, that was disappointing. It's just like a window to the next room and the bathroom. Oh.
No window again. No proper window.
That sucks.
No view, I should say.
Yeah,
We booked a few of them. Not intentionally though, I don't think that this one. I think we didn't realise we were going to get one of those rooms, but we just don't get a view.
Oh, anyway.
Hong Kong made up for it.
Moving on, we got our bathroom, which looks really nice. Toilet, big sink, big mirror, and yeah, another window that looks down there, whatever's down there. So, all in all, what are your impressions?
Not bad. Looks alright. Alright for a couple of days. It's fine. This is the hecticness that is Ho Chi Minh City. Oh my god. Thought the traffic in Hanoi was bad. This is like next level. Welcome to the footpath. This is where it gets nuts. I think this might be like the Times Square of Ho Chi Minh. Look at this traffic! Crazy! We just went into the Circle convenience store next door and bought a few snacks for tonight because we are spending a little bit of money here at the moment, so getting towards the end of our trip here in Vietnam, and we just want to kind of cut costs down a bit. So we've got some more noodles tonight. These ones, I'm not really sure what they are. It's just a noodle bowl. I think it's got chili in it. So I'm looking forward to having that. Dan got some melon soda. And I got some melon milk. I tried this once in Hong Kong and I loved it. It's so good. So I'm actually so excited to try it again because I haven't seen it since actually. So very exciting for that. And we got some green tea, Hello Pandas. I love Hello Pandas. And Dan got some cheap pho noodles, I think.
Pho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They look pretty good.
It was like the equivalent of like $1.
Yeah, like I think all of this cost us probably about
it was
$7 or something.
177,000 dong. So if you can work that out into whatever your currency is, that's how much it was for all that.
I think it might have been more like $8 or something Australian. Which, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 things there. You would never get that in Australia.
Pringles this size would cost you like $6 alone.
100%, and at like a convenience store for sure. It would be that
they're
much.
even more at like a 7-Eleven or Coles Express or something. So
yeah, that was literally like $1, I think.
Yeah,
for that.
it was
crazy.
It was I think it was like 11,000 dong.
It's not even. Yeah, it's not even $1.
Yeah, so
crazy.
if you want a cheap holiday, come to Vietnam because most of the stuff in convenience stores, restaurants and stuff is fairly cheap.
And convenience stores are fun. They're fun to go, and you get to go and have a look and see what everyone eats on a daily basis.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Going into convenience stores overseas, particularly in Asia, is so fun because you see all these different like snacks and chips and
so many things
drinks
to try
and things, and it's like, ooh, what do I try? What do I try? And yeah, even though some of them may not be Vietnamese, they're still Asian. So
interesting
stuff, different to what we have at home.
Mm-hmm.